between the rain showers I can get the camera out. I say camera, phone. It's very grim. Just cast out. We haven't even gone on to the breakwater. It's snack time and Marley didn't eat her snack, so Satter's eating it. You didn't eat your snack, Marley. No, you've missed it now. You silly sausage. Right, so this is their playground. We've got protection from the wind. I've never fished this part before. And there's the start of the breakwater. They're alright, they're having a play. We've got all this space at the moment. Boaty stuff. Anchoring boaty stuff. Lifting stuff. The diameter of that is 6 foot. Where we are, Stennerland, private land, not liable for loss, damage or injury, howsoever caused arising from unauthorised access. So why do they let people walk on here? If you let people walk on it, it's authorised. Surely. There's an old sign. Area within 500 metres of the wreck of the SS cast something is prohibited area. You're not allowed to remove anything pertaining to the wreck. Two white in. Ironically, it stopped raining. The skies do look a lot better, but still not great. I'm not optimistic that it's going to stay dry, so dogs have had a good play, they've had a good walk, they've been to the beach. A tiny bit of fishing, nothing major.